Acura MDX. I'm changing rear brakes, just the pads. We have 2 bolts here, 12 and 12. Open these bolts. When you open, try to push it to back the piston all the way. No. Put the caliper here. Take this pad out. Take these clips. Put the grease on the pins. No. Put the clips, new clips with grease. Squeeze it in. No. In the inner pad, put the squeaking. Outer one, just slide it in. And inner one, no. Put the vice grip on. Put these springs. No. Sometimes I'm putting a little bit grease here to make it smooth. I'm gonna do it again. This spring is too strong, pushing the pads out. It's hard to hold it. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna put the bolts on. That's it. Rear brakes changed.